Welcome to the IT Jobs series. In this video, we'll explore the role of a desktop support technician. This is one of the most popular entry-level positions in the IT industry, and it's an excellent starting point for anyone looking to build a career in technology. A desktop support technician is the first point of contact for office employees when they experience hardware or software problems. These professionals provide hands-on technical support directly at a user's workstation. They focus on three main areas: hardware support, which includes computer components and peripherals; software support, which covers applications and operating systems; and general user support, including training and problem-solving guidance. Hardware support responsibilities include installation and setup of new computers, configuring peripherals like monitors and keyboards, and establishing network connectivity. Technicians also perform diagnostics and repairs when hardware fails, handle component replacement, and optimize system performance. Additionally, they manage peripherals such as printers and docking stations and perform preventive maintenance through regular health checks and hardware audits to prevent future issues. On the software side, desktop support technicians install and deploy applications across the organization. They manage software licenses to ensure compliance, deploy patches and updates to keep systems secure, and troubleshoot issues when applications crash or fail. These technicians also handle security management, including antivirus protection and password policy enforcement. Finally, they provide user training to help employees understand how to use software effectively and follow best practices. Common hardware issues that desktop support technicians encounter include power problems, such as computers that won't start or experience sudden shutdowns. Audio issues may prevent speakers or microphones from working properly. Network connectivity problems can disconnect users from the internet or company network. Storage problems occur when hard drives fail or run out of space. Input device failures affect keyboards and mice, making them unresponsive. Finally, memory or RAM issues can cause system crashes and slow performance. Common software issues include application crashes where programs freeze or encounter unexpected errors. Slow performance makes computers sluggish at startup. Display issues involve resolution problems or driver conflicts affecting the monitor. Login and access problems prevent users from signing in or accessing files they need. Virus and malware infections compromise security and system stability. Printing issues cause print jobs to fail or printers to malfunction, disrupting office workflow. Desktop support technicians use various tools to do their job effectively. Remote access tools like TeamViewer and Remote Desktop Protocol allow technicians to troubleshoot issues from a distance. Monitoring tools such as Task Manager help diagnose performance problems. Security software, including antivirus programs, protects against threats. Ticketing systems like Service now help track and manage support requests. Technicians work with different operating systems like Windows and Linux, and cloud services such as Office 365 and Active Directory for managing user accounts and permissions. To become a desktop support technician, you need technical skills including hardware troubleshooting, understanding of operating systems, basic network knowledge, and software installation expertise. Professional skills are equally important: strong problem-solving ability, excellent customer service mindset, clear communication, time management, and proper documentation practices. Many employers prefer the CompTIA A+ certification, though other certifications like Microsoft certified courses are also valuable. Typically, employers require a high school diploma or GED and 1 to 2 years of IT experience. A typical day for a desktop support technician starts at 9 a.m. with a morning briefing to review support tickets and prioritize urgent issues. From 9:30 a.m. onwards, they spend most of their time on site, visiting employee desks to diagnose and fix problems. After a 1-hour lunch break at 1 p.m., they update the ticket system and communicate solutions to users. In the afternoon, they perform system maintenance, including patches and updates. The day ends at 5 p.m. with closing remaining tickets and preparing a summary report of all work completed. Desktop support is an excellent stepping stone for career advancement. You can progress from desktop support technician to system administrator, then network engineer, and eventually become an IT manager. As you gain experience and certifications, you can specialize in specific areas like cybersecurity or cloud administration. Regarding compensation, entry-level desktop support technicians typically earn between $35,000 and $45,000 per year. With experience, salaries increase to between $50,000 and $65,000 or more, depending on location and company size. Desktop support technician is the perfect entry point into the IT industry. You gain hands-on technical experience from your very first day on the job. There's a clear pathway to advanced roles like system administrator and network engineer. You'll develop valuable problem-solving skills that are essential in any IT career. This role offers job security and strong demand across all industries. If you're ready to start your IT journey, becoming a desktop support technician is an excellent choice. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on IT careers and technologies.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.